All right, guys, welcome back to that 70s remodel. As you can see, we are getting moving here on the exterior. I want to walk you through what we decided to do on the exterior, how we put it together, and how we're coming inside. Let's get going. So as you can remember, when we actually started this project, the house was full brick exterior with some exterior siding material that was made up of applied wood boards over the top of 2 layers of cardboard sheeting that had just been spackled or had a plaster over the top of it. It wasn't the best exterior combination, and quite honestly, we saw a lot of water damage, a lot of rot, and a lot of leakage. So we decided to make a change, and as you can see, I think things are coming along really great here at this remodel. So what we decided to use was a thin cut cultured stone. This product that you're seeing here on the house is actually from Creative Minds. This is a really great stone product, really inexpensive. It came with matching sill pieces. We also have some matching backer pieces for light fixtures. It just worked out really well. Additionally, we chose to go with a white mortar on this. I think that it really blended nice with this stone. It gave us a nice clean look. And just something to know or something to keep in mind that white mortar is more expensive than gray just because they make it out of white concrete, which is more expensive. So I love the whole combination of what we did here. Now, we used to have a 4-inch brick ledge down here at the bottom. And when we came through and applied this cultured stone, we were a much thinner surface than what we were with the 4-inch brick ledge. As you can remember, we did come through and add a 1-inch zip R around this house. And so that brought us out about 1.5 inches. And then we have the cultured stone, which is about another 1.5 inches. So we're really only short here on the brick ledge about 1 inch. But what we did was we came through and flashed this really great with our zip liquid flash. We also taped, obviously, all of our zip. But then from there, before the stonemasons put up their wire lath, we came through and applied this metal that we created our own drip flashing. This gave us the opportunity to run the metal up the wall across the top of that foundation ledge, and then it has the kick out here on the bottom. So if any water were to get on the stone, behind the stone, whatever, this is gonna make sure that we get it out and away from the house. So I really love how the stonemason put that together. Then, as far as the rest of our exterior material, we decided to go with a stucco here on this house. Reason being was mostly cost. This homeowner is going to be turning this property into an Airbnb, so it's about 5 minutes away from most of the ski resorts here in Salt Lake City. So this is an amazing property. What we were looking for was low maintenance, durability, and kind of an inexpensive remodel that was gonna last for a long time. So we did decide to come through and do a stucco on this exterior. We added a lot of pop outs. You can see the one here around the bottom of this column. Additionally, we've got pop outs around the windows and over the top of our sill, just to give it a nice, clean, really refined look. This stucco, we are using a smoother stucco on this house. We chose not to go with the upgraded really smooth product. We just kind of did a standard smooth stucco, but this looks really nice and clean, and this is actually just our brown coat. So starting today, the stucco crew is actually going to come through and apply our color coat, which will end up being kind of a light gray on the border of a white, and I think it'll really clean up nicely. Let's go around back. I'm gonna show you some of the decks that we added and this really great stair and railing system. Okay, don't mind the mess back here. We actually have everything covered up in plastic so that we can protect it while the stucco crew is doing their work. But what we've got here is we had the carpenters come out and actually frame and build these cedar decks for us. Again, we were trying to go with a product that was high quality, but a bit of a better price point. So that's how we ended up using this material.